In the previous videos we discussed the questions as well as the synopsis we discussed, and today's class we are going to discuss some more questions whatever asked in the previous JEE examinations. Clear? So in that, the first question I am going to discuss in today's class, that is, let A is equals to, this is the one matrix they given to you where alpha is belongs to R such that A to the power 32 value, A to the power 32 value is some value they given to you, then a value of alpha is, we should calculate the value of the alpha, we should calculate. So this is the question, this is the meaning of the given question, and this question was asked in JEE mains. They asked this question, that is 2000, in the 2019 they asked this question. I think in the shift 1 they asked this question. So now my dear students, already I told you that in the previous class also we discussed the questions somewhat like this, a question, that question I discussed. There also I told you that whenever we have the something power they given to you, A to the power 32 they given you means we should just observe what will be the matrix A already they given to you. So next we should calculate the nature of the values. How will be the values? We should calculate A square, A cube, A to the power 4, that we should calculate. By knowing that A square, A cube, A4, these values, by knowing these values we can understand the nature of the answers. How will be the matrix will be. Depending upon that we can generalize and we can calculate A to the power 32 values. Clear? For that reason what I'll do, first I'll calculate A square value, I'll calculate. Clear? So here second one I am going to discuss, at A square I am going to calculate. So A square, to calculate A square what I'll do, A into A, matrix A into A. Already they given you the matrix A here. So write on the, in the place of A I can write it as cos alpha minus of sin alpha, and here it is sin alpha into, sorry, cos alpha. This is the one matrix A into A. Same I am going to write here. So what is that one? Cos alpha minus sin alpha, and here it is sin alpha into cos alpha. So now my dear students, just cross multiply. So how to cross multiply? Row into column. Already we know this multiplication. So therefore here A square is equals to row into column. Directly I'll multiply. Cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha. Row into column. Cos alpha into cos alpha is cos square alpha, plus minus sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha. Row into column. First row, first column. First row, now second column. Am I clear? So here it is. Here it is, first row, second column. Cos alpha into plus minus of cos alpha into sin alpha, cos alpha into sin alpha. Next minus plus minus sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha. Clear? So like this we can multiply. Again, now second row, first column. Second row, first column. Sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha, sin alpha into cos alpha, plus, that is cos alpha into sin alpha. Next second row, second column. So sin plus minus of sin alpha into sin alpha is sin square alpha, plus, here it is cos square alpha. I hope you understood. Just it is a simple multiplication is there. And also we know that my dear students, cos 2 alpha, this can I write it as cos 2 alpha? We know the formula. Cos 2 alpha can be written as cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. So therefore A square is equals to, I can write here it is as cos 2 alpha. Direct formula we have. Cos 2 alpha can be written as cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. And similarly here it is minus cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. X and minus x is minus 2x. Like that same values are there. So we can add here. I mean, if we have, say for example, minus x means we can write it as minus 2x. Like that, minus cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha sin alpha. So this can be written as, here it is minus of 2 sin alpha into cos alpha. Clear? And similarly here it is sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha sin alpha. So this is nothing but, it is nothing but, can I apply the formula here? It is sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. In the place of x and y, if I take alpha means I can write this. So therefore this is nothing but sin of x plus y, that is nothing but sin, it will become sin 2 alpha. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. And here also my dear students, observe here cos square alpha plus cos square alpha minus sin square alpha. This is nothing but, again I can write it as cos 2 alpha I can write. Understood? So my dear students, observe here it is, you can get here it is a value, observe just a value is cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Clear? A to the power 1 is there, it means nothing is there means a to the power 1, that value is sin 1 alpha sin minus sin 1 alpha, sin 1 alpha cos 1 alpha, like that. Cos to a square value, a to the power 2 we have. So this answer, observe here it is, this is also in the form of cos 2 alpha minus, here it is another one step I'll write here it is, so a square is equals to, I can write here it is cos 2 alpha, and this one is minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha. Again we know the formula, sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta into cos theta. So therefore minus sin 2 alpha I can write, and here it is sin 2 alpha and here it is cos 2 alpha. So you can observe a to the power 2 is there, a to the power 2 means I can write it as cos 2 alpha minus sin 2 alpha, sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. So we can generalize here this, if you want to understand more clearly means you can calculate a cube also. Again you will get, in the place of a cube you will get it as cos 3 alpha minus sin 3 alpha, sin 3 alpha cos 3 alpha you will get. Likewise you are going to get whatever power you have, that value is changing to here and remaining will be same. That is the nature of this a given question here it is. By knowing that, what I can conclude, by knowing that I can say that here it is a to the power 32 can be written as, so similarly we can write a to the power 32. What is they given to you? A to the power 32 is nothing but they given as 0 minus 1 1 0, and a square is this much. In the place of a 32 can I write this value my dear students? Then this implies that what I can write here it is cos 32 alpha minus sin 32 alpha, sin of 32 alpha, and here it is cos of 32 alpha, and a 32 value, by knowing this I can write it as like this, and this is RHS part is as it is 0 minus 1 1 0. Can I write? So simple my dear students. What should I know? I should know the value of here it is, alpha value I should know. Clear? And now these two matrices are equal. If two matrices are equal means what we know the condition? We know that if two matrices are equal means the corresponding elements will be same. Clear? Then only we can say that these two matrices are equal. So therefore we can say that this place element and this place element will be equal. That is nothing but cos of 32 alpha is equals to this 0 I can write. Corresponding elements will be equal. Clear? So therefore this implies cos 32 alpha is equals to 0. Can I write it as pi by 2? We know that my dear students, cos 0 is 1, cos 90 value is 0. So therefore 0 can I write it as cos 90 or cos pi by 2 I can write? Cos pi by 2 value is nothing but 0. Clear? And now this implies that here it is cos 32 alpha, here it is cos pi by 2, here also cos, here also cos. So same means the angle will be same. This implies, then we can say that 32 alpha is equals to pi by 2. This implies I required the alpha value, here it is, they asked you to find the alpha value. Is it clear? So therefore alpha is equals to, shift this 32 this side, then that is goes to the denominator. So pi divided by 2 into 32. That is what pi divided by 2 2s are 4, 2 that is nothing but 64. So therefore the alpha value is nothing but pi divided by 64. So which option here it is? The option D is correct. So this is your required answer my dear students. Clear? So very simple questions these are all. Clear? So like this you should solve my dear students. Clear? So please pause the video to note it down. Still, if you have any doubts, you can comment me. I reply for that. So first write this one and we'll move to this next third question we are going to move. Yes, next my dear students, I am going to discuss the next question, that is question number 3. We will take it as question number 3 we are going to take. So here already I wrote the question my dear students. Let A is equals to one matrix they given to you, x1 1 0. This is a matrix given to you, be a 2 cross 2 matrix such that A to the power 4 will be, obviously the matrix A to the power 4 will be Aij is equals to 2 cross 2. So like this, generally A4 you will get general element they given to you, Aij. But the hint given to you is A11 after multiplying A to the power 4 value, after multiplying A to the power 4 times, if you multiply the A means, in that case the A11 element, the first row first column element will be 109. This is the given to you. Then they asked to find A22. We should calculate A22. They given you A11 value, we should calculate A22 value. Very simple it is, clear. So this question was asked in JEE main 3rd September 2020. They asked this question, and this is asked this question in the shift 1. They asked this question, clear. So very simple it is, just we should calculate A to the power 4. So for that reason what I'll do my students, first I'll calculate A square. How to calculate A square? A square can be calculated it as A into A. What is A then? Then here it is x1 1 0 and here it is x1 1 0. So cross multiply, I mean multiplication, two matrices, how to multiply, as I told, row into column. So multiply first, here it is row first column, then the elements will be row into column. X into x is x square, row into column, x into x is x square plus 1 into 1. First row first column, first row second column, x into 1 is x plus 1 into 0 is 0. Clear. So first row second column, x into 1 is x plus 1 into 0 is 0. Like that. Second row first column, 1 into x is x, row into column, 1 into x is x, 0 into 1 is 0. Second row second column, 1 into 1 is 1, 0 into 0 is plus 0. So therefore here the value is A square matrix is nothing but x square plus 1, x plus 0 is x, x plus 0 is x, 1 plus 0 is 1. This is all about A square. We are interested to calculate A to the power 4. So therefore here it is A to the power 4 I am going to calculate. Here it is A to the power 4 can be written as A square into A square. So therefore x square plus 1 x 1, A square into A square, x square plus 1 x, here it is 1. So now cross multiply again, here it is row into column, here it is. So x square plus 1 into x square plus 1, so that is nothing but x square plus 1 whole square, row into column, this one to this whole square, a plus x into x is x square. Clear. So row into column, clear. Again row into first row into second column, x into x square plus 1, x square plus 1 into x plus x. Next second row first column, again x into x square plus 1, x into x square plus 1 plus 1 into x is x. And next second row, here it is second row, we can multiply second column. So x into x is x into x is x square plus 1 into 1 is 1. Clear. So this is all about my students A to the power 4. So now what I'll do means, here it is already they given that A to the power 4 is nothing but this one, and in that A11 element. So what they told my students, in the A to the power 4, in this place element A11 first column element will be in this place, actually you will get 109. This means this value is equals to 109 I can write. So therefore already given to you, what is that given? What is given to you? A11 value is equals to 109, and this implies what is A11 place we have? A11 place we have x square plus 1 whole square plus x square is equals to 109. Now simplify this one, we will get the x value. So here it is. Consider this is a and this is b, a plus b whole square. So what is the formula? X square whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a into b, plus this x square as it is, that is equals to 109. This implies x square to the square means x to the power 4 plus 1 plus 2 into x square, 2x square into 1 is 2x square plus x square is equals to 109. This implies x to the power 4 plus 2x square plus x square is 3x square plus 1 is equals to 109. So this is x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 1 minus 109 is equals to 0. 109 if you shift this side means that will become negative. So now here it is x to the power 4 plus 3x square minus of 108 is equals to 0, plus minus 109 plus 1 minus 108. Now factorize this one, my dear students. If you factorize this one, how much you will get? I think if you factorize this one means you will get it as, here it is x square plus 12 and here it is x square minus 9 is equals to 0. If you factorize this one, you will get this much. And here it is x square plus 12 is equals to, x square plus 12 is equals to 0 means you will get it as negative, which is not possible. So we will consider this condition. What is that one? This implies we will take x square minus 9 equals to 0. This implies x is equals to 9. Minus 9 if you shift that side, that will become plus 9. That is nothing but here it is x square value, sorry, it is x square. So x square value will be minus 9. If I shift that side means that will become 9. X square value is equals to 9. Clear? So now my dear students, what should I calculate? My aim is to calculate A22 element. So in this place A22 element, what is A22 element? A22 element means this one. Am I clear? A22 element means here it is second row, second column element in the A4. We should calculate in the A4. Find A22. A22 means in the A4 second row, second column element is x square plus 1. Clear? So here this implies we can write it as, here it is x square plus 1 is equals to, we should calculate the element of this one, x square plus 1. So what is x square plus 1? X square plus 1 is nothing but x square value is 9. Substitute x square value as 9. 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. So therefore here it is A22 element. Therefore the A22 element is nothing but here it is 10. Clear? So answer is 10. Here it is. So I didn't write the options. So if you have any options, here it is, in that the correct option is 10. In the place of A22 we will have answer as 10. Very simple it is. Clear? So please pause the video to note it down. Next we will move to the next question. If you have any doubts, you can comment me. I'll reply for that. So as of now, pause the video, write it down, and next I'll move to the next question. Yes. Next, my dear students, next I wrote the question. So these are very simple, not asked in JAA. Just in sometimes in CET examinations they may ask these questions. Very simple it is. The first I'll solve this one. Here it is. What is the question? Here it is. The number of types of matrices having 12 elements is, means you have one matrix here it is. In that matrix how many elements you have? You have totally 12 elements we have. If 12 elements are there means how many types of matrices we can write? That is nothing but they asked. So remember, we know that in any matrix, we know the one note, very important, that we learned in the theory exam, board examinations. So very important, in any matrix, if the order is m cross n, it means in any matrix if you have m rows and n columns means in that matrix how many elements will be there? In that matrix m into n elements will be there. This is very important note you should remember. Say for example 1 2 3 4. So what is the order of this matrix? 2 cross 2. So 2 cross 2 means 2 cross 2 is equals to 4. So multiply 2 2 is a 4. How many elements are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 elements are there. So therefore, like that, in any matrix of the order m cross n, we have mn elements. Means after multiplying this, whatever product you will get, that many number of elements will be there. By knowing this concept, we can solve this one. The number of types of matrices having 12 elements. They told that we have 12 elements. In that 12 elements, how many types of matrices, different orders, how much we can write? So we know that whatever the multiply, if we the product of any two numbers which will give you 12, all those numbers will satisfy the matrix, its matrix. Clear? Say for example 1 into 12, this is also one type. Here it is 1 row and 12 columns may be there. In that case also 1 into 12 means in this case also 12 elements will be there. So like that we can write it as 12 into 1. This is also one possible order. Or else 6 2s are 12. It means 6 row and 2 columns may be there. Or else 2 columns and 6 rows, 2 rows and 6 columns may be there, because this product is also equals to 12. And next another one is, here it is 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means 4 rows and 3 columns may be there. 4 3s are 12. Or else 3 rows and 4 columns may be there. So these are all the orders which contains 12 elements. These all orders will contain the 12 elements. Is it? Here it is 12 into 1 is 12. So all the factors, whatever we have, the factors of the 12, whatever we have, that all satisfies these 12 elements. I mean that node satisfies. Clear? 12 into 1 is 12, 6 into 12 is 12, 2 6s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12. It means this is the one type I can write, this is the one type matrix I can write, this is the one type of matrix I can write, this is the one type matrix I can write, this is the one type matrix I can write, and this is the one type of matrix I can write. In which these all different types of matrices will contain exactly 12 elements. Clear? So here it is. Other than this, there is no any values. Clear? There is no any other possibilities. Clear? So therefore, how many types we may write? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 types we can write, where that matrix will contain 12 elements. So therefore, how many types? 6. The answer is, here it is. This is your answer. Clear? So very important and easy, my dear students. Here it is. Clear? And we'll move to the next question. Trace of A. So the next question is very simple. Here it is. If A is equals to, A is a one matrix given to you, they asked you to find trace of A. So how to calculate trace of A, my dear students? Trace of A is nothing but, in the synopsis only I discussed, I told you that trace of any given matrix is nothing but it is sum of the diagonal elements. So therefore, here answer for this one is trace of A is equals to, here it is, diagonal elements, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much it is? Here it is 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So therefore, trace of A is equals to 9. They will give you options 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, like that they may give. So answer is 9. Here it is. Clear? So like this you should solve, my students. So I hope you understood. Still, if you have any doubts, please comment me. I reply for that, and we'll continue next in the next video. We'll solve some more questions. So try yourself, so try to solve the more number of questions so that you can easily understand the concepts. So always remember, first you should be very thorough knowledge in the board examinations, I mean board syllabus. Then you can read this competitive. Clear? Everything is based on that synopsis. So always concentrate on that synopsis. Clear? So please pause the video to note it down. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.